Hi everybody, Jackie here with Dr. Carmichael from Rockside Family Dental Care. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm glad to be here.
Good, wonderful. So today we're going to talk a little bit about emergency services, emergency dental services. I broke my tooth, having a crazy ache or pain. What do I do? What are my options?
That's it. It's a very common situation, Jackie.
Yeah.
People fall down, have accidents, break teeth, and they're on the phone. What do I do? What can we do? So there's several different options that we can offer. Some are more expensive. Other ones are more reasonable as far as fee-wise. One of those is tooth bonding.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit about that.
So here's an example of someone had a nasty fall and broke their tooth. And it's a front tooth, and we got them in right away. And what we did was a very conservative procedure where we put a white filling material, we call that bonding, and rebuilt that tooth. It didn't require doing a crown or even a root canal or anything like that. And you can see the result looks very, very natural. And this is just one of the options other than doing like crowns or veneers.
Now this would be like a quick one-day procedure.
Yes, this
would
is
be a same day.
One step. They come in on the left there, and half hour later, their tooth is back to what we consider a normal look.
Now to do bonding, do you have to have the piece of the tooth that chipped off with you?
No, we don't have to do that at all. We can simply just rebuild the tooth with a white filling material.
Wow, that's huge. Now the veneers and the crowns, like you mentioned, these would be a more involved option.
A little bit more. It would require preparing the tooth and having something built in the laboratory, and that's a couple step procedure as opposed to the bonding that we saw in there, which was a one step procedure.
So that's kind of like one end of the spectrum versus the other, and there's a bunch of options in between.
Yes.
But the best thing you do is to get with one of you doctors and let you consult on what the right option may be. Now the hard part about this is when you break a tooth or you fall or something like this, it's usually not at a convenient time.
Yes, and so we have an emergency service at our office, and if it's on the weekend or after hours, our office is open from 7:30 in the morning until 8:30 at night, Monday through Thursday. So most people can fit into that, but when it happens on the weekend, and a lot of things happen on the weekends, unfortunately, so we'll be able to get them in and treat them very promptly.
Yeah. So if you are suffering from a broken tooth, an ache, you had a nasty fall, you knocked into your glass and you chipped it, Rockside Family Dental Care offers emergency services. There's someone at their office Monday through Friday, 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. So call them today. Their number is 216-524-8481, or you can go online to book an appointment if this is not an emergency and you just have a broken tooth at RocksideFamilyDentalCare.com. You can learn more about their staff, FAQs, and contact them directly through the website. But if you are struggling, get on the phone today, and one of their doctors on call if it's after hours or staff during the week will be there to serve you. Thank you so much, Dr.
Thank you,
Carmichael.
Jackie.